Straight down the middle. Let's do this, yeah.
Different start of the video. Manon is here and I lured her to something special and she has no clue what's happening. I took her to the airport where she had to help me welcome one of her biggest Instagram idols.
Got something for you. There you go.
She got to hold and wave a welcome sign. What she didn't know is Nikolá was coming through the door. I'm going to give her the coolest haircut ever and Manon gets to help me. Immediate recognition, a little bit shaky.
I'm just like so nervous.
We thought it would be fun if she did the first cut.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, that was smooth! Woo!
You want me to start on the back or straight down the middle?
Straight down the middle. Let's
Sure?
do this, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right. You've done enough.
Okay.
It's such a cool feeling anyway.
It is.
I haven't seen my dark hair in a long time.
That looks good as well.
I don't even know if I'm not like, if I don't have a grey hair anymore. Oh, don't say me, don't say me, don't say me.
No, I can't see it. Let me see how this looks.
Are you serious? I look like a bird.
Yeah, a little bit. Not nervous anymore.
No, I don't have a reason actually. No, no. The first 3 minutes was the worst ones, but now it's already fine.
All right, that's it.
Really?
Really?
No, it needs some color now.
Color?
No?
Which color?
Let's do this, please.
All
Yeah.
right. There you go.
That's so cool. Oh my god. Yep.
Bam.
Bam. Okay. 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 Oh my god. I'm gonna cry.
Aww. Here's the before, the after. It looks so cool. Don't you guys forget to hit the red subscribe button down here, because I think we really deserve it after this kind of work. Thank you for coming in all the way from Prague.
Oh my god, I'm in love with it, really.
In love.
Oh,
Wow.
I'm gonna cry.
No regrets?
No regrets at all.
Cool.
No regrets at all. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. See you in the next one, guys.